Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Boot Barn. So the company reported earnings. You can see since they reported, the stock's up, but it's recently pulled back. Now, this stock never gave me an ideal setup. You can, of course, look at it now and say, well, you could have bought here or here, whatever. But I'm looking at this stock now, and this is a decent entry, not an awesome one, but a decent entry. So I thought I'd point it out. And here's why, because the stock's done really well this year. I think as we go into the last month of the year, there's a lot of money managers who are underperforming the market. Now, the S&P is up like 25%. So it's kind of hard to outperform the market. It's really hard for a lot of money managers to outperform the market. And I think it's just about impossible for anybody, any money manager to do it consistently. As a trader, that's a different deal. As a money manager, you want to get those positive numbers. And towards the end of the year, what they tend to do is buy the winning stocks. And so I can see Boot Barn here. It's pulled back after a real nice move, almost kind of a climax move, and it's back just 8.5% at one point, over 10% below the high. And today we see lower than average volume, but we see the stock stabilizing. So I think you can be buying the stock right here. I wouldn't expect it to run up like that. I don't think it's going to do that. If it did, that would be awesome. But I think it's more likely to just kind of find some kind of firmness here and then ultimately run higher over the next few weeks. So anyway, that's a trade that I think you can take. Members, we added 2 stocks to the growth stock list, and so I'm going to go over those in detail in tonight's strategy session. Our growth stocks are doing really, really well. I think there's only one of them that's unprofitable. Several are almost 20% profitable, so definitely take a look at those. Okay, that's it. I'll see you next time.